I found out when choosing a bed cover for my truck Cheapskate that there are tons and dozens of different brands of truck bed covers out there, and sometimes finding the right one can be pretty difficult. You got covers that roll, you got covers that fold, and you got covers that lock and other different features. And like I said, sometimes it can be pretty mind-boggling based on what your needs are. But that's why TonneauCovered.com, they made a guide for you, and it's absolutely free to download. And I want y'all to slide on over to their site. The link is in the description. The link is the address is at the bottom of this screen right now. TonneauCovered.com. They took out all the guesswork for you, and you slide over there and you get that guide, and it'll make choosing the right bed cover a whole lot easier for you, like I chose for Cheapskate. So make sure to slide over to TonneauCovered.com, download your free guide, use the service, and enjoy the video. Let's go.